Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome in Gopinathji Mahila College, Shihor. My name is Professor Dodia Ajay. Today we discuss about BCom semester 5 subject business communications. Today we know about syllabus. As you know, our syllabus is divided into 4 units. So let's start with first unit. Unit number 1, banking correspondence. Bird's eye view of banking sector in India. So in India there are many sectors like that diamond sector, like that clothes sectors, like that share bazaars, like that many education sectors. But very important thinking things is and bird's view of banking sector in India. Types of banks and banks accounts. So how many types of banks and how many types of banks accounts? As you know, saving accounts, credit accounts, debit accounts, some kinds of other accounts. Function of banks. So meaning the working of the function of the banks. Elements of good banking. Now selected correspondence between banks and their clients. The most important things is writing a letter to bank's clients. First, customer asking for stop payment of check, demand draft. Every time you know customer confused because they have no balance in their account, so they always asking for stop payment of check and demand draft. So that kind of letter writing and corresponding with the bank manager. Bank managers reply to stop payment request. Now bank manager request for the stop payment. Third one, customer asking for loan. So today a big problem for the loan. So customer asking for loan, how many types of loan and their documents and the criteria of the loan. Then the D, loan granted. E, loan not granted by the bank. So reason why bank loan granted, why bank was not granted loan. Another things, customers complain of dishonorment of check despite of sufficient balance in his account. As you know, sufficient balance in the customer's bank account, but the bank does not release her check. Next, bankers reply explaining the reason of the dishonoring of the check. Now the bankers give the reason why they do not release their amount. Next, customer requesting the bank manager to issue a duplicate key of his safe deposit vault. So as you know, bank give all the clients to safe deposit for a locker and give its key. But by mistake you lost your key. So you in this issue a duplicate key of his safe deposit wallet, but as you know bank didn't give you a duplicate key. Now the last one, bankers reply explaining him the relevant procedure for the obtain the duplicate key of a safe deposit vault. Now the another things is, you know, customer asking for safe deposit vault and they asking for a duplicate key for the safe deposit wallet. Now we turn on unit number 2. Unit number 2, insurance correspondence. Here we learn about life insurance. Basic principle of insurance. As you know, what is the basic principle of the insurance? Definitions of life insurance. Life insurance is important for every people. Life insurance terminology, various types of life insurance policies, correspondence between LIC and policy holders. So here only we learn about LIC policy policy holders. Insurance company, many insurance company in India like that Birla Sun Life Insurance Company, other companies. So all the companies have different types of rules and regulations. Today we discussed with LIC. Policy holder intimating the insurance company regarding change of the residential address. As you know, some kinds of the difference and a serious problem with the residential address. So the holder change his address. Policy holder requesting for a duplicate copy of policy. Now sometimes policy holder by mistake they was missed the policy. Now he want to duplicate copy. Next things, policy holder asking for the surrender paid up value of his policy. Now some critical movement, people do not pay the installment of the policy, so now they wanted to surrender and paid up the value of his policy. Second things, LIC's reply to policy holder regarding the surrender value, paid up value, and advising him request him against surrendering his policy. Then the manager for LIC some kinds of reply of the customers and holders. Nominees letter asking for guidance from LIC office regarding the procedures of the lodging a valid claim on the natural damage on the accidental death of the policy holder. Now nominee is very important things. Every time we are quarreling for the our shares with the demanding by our father, so many difficulties in our ways. Without nominee do not work any types of. Next things, LIC granting the claim. So why LIC granting the claim of their holder, rejecting of the death claim, sometimes a wrong decision taken by the company and rejecting the death of the claim, and LIC intimating the policy holder about lapsing of his policy. So totally we are knowing about the policy rules and regulations. So what is the process of death claims, what is the process of loan pay, what is the process of ending and paying to for the policy, LIC eliminations to policy holder for the revival of the lapsed policy. Unit number 3 is very important. Import and export trade corresponding. So this is the most important things of all things, import and export business. Let's see mechanism of foreign trade, import and export trade terms. So here is a trade and their rules and regulations, different types of, and very hard topic to this correspondence between clients and the various stakeholders. First, letters, inquiry and quotations. So first write you letter for the informations and other some kinds of inquiries, letters, placing orders, shipping advice, appointing of an overseas agent, accepting an agency. So many agencies for the trade with the foreigner. So we take on a accepting an agency, invitations of goods arrival by shipping agent and the steward, various letters of the complaint, and many so times of complaint because too time and too late to this period. Agencies corresponding need of agents. So every time you need some kinds of different kinds of agents. Agent as a connecting link between principal and manufacturer and the consumer kind of agents. So agent is a good things for the import and export business, and you cannot business without agent in import and export. Corresponding between principal and agents. Agents applying for agency. Now the agents everyday work to applying for the agency. Appointing of an agent by principal. Agents suggestions to the principal for improving marketing share of the product. Principal's reminder to the agent for improving sales in his territory. Agents demand for increasing in communism and other facilities. Terminations of the agency by the principal. So only you write a letter this kind of totally same 5, and you all are experienced students. So I think this kinds of letter and university will give you a lot of marks for them, and I think only write a letter. First you know about the structures of the letter, and five positions, different types of five positions give you, and write a letter. Unit number 4, circular letters. This is very important letter, and this kind of statement like of letter, characteristics of circle letters. First, characteristics of circles letters. Second things, importance of circulars as a medium of communications in a corporate world. As you know, second things, you join and corporate and comprehensions with the world and the medium of communications. So many importance of circulars as a medium of communications in a corporate world. Circulars letters written on following occasions. Now you give 7 different types of circular letters. First, opening of new branch business. So how to opening your new branch and business, and how to create and how to circular your clients and holders. Shifting of premises. How to premises means home. How to shifting your already all the premises. Admission of partner. As you know, now you started a new branch, new business, so you want to a new partner, so you admission of new partner. Death, retirement of partner. So this is the things and rules and regulations, and this point is very important for your exam. Death, retirement of a partner. So how many share give to the partner. Dismissal of an employee, and at that time something a biggest problem, employee was a dismissal, and the price rise, price reductions of the product price raise, price discussing as per. Then this last things, stock clearance and the festival sale. The two things here is given you. The first, festival sale. Every festival sale in low price, sometimes of some offers buy, get to buy to different types of festival sales and stocks clearance. Now the fourth unit completed. So very easy, this kinds of 4 unit.